Okay, I've seen a few of them. There's a white one around the town and a silver. Beautiful looking cars.
I get on YouTube last night and come to find out a lot of these places are doing that. They're putting the Rouse supercharger kit, which Rouse is affiliated with Ford.
Yeah.
What's his name? The Cat in the Hat Rouse there. Jack Rouse. He's affiliated with Ford Racing. So they get a lot of his parts.
He was manager of the team, I think, at one time.
What did he do?
He was the manager of their racing division.
Oh, Jack Rouse?
Yeah.
So now, he's like I say, he's affiliated with Ford Racing. What he did was built this supercharger for the GT Mustang. I get on YouTube and a lot of companies are doing it. They're putting on the Rouse and the new Mustang GT. There's two versions you could put on. There's like almost 700 version, stage 1. They got a stage 2 that's almost 800 horsepower on the Mustang. Depending on what you want to spend, you know.
Ground effects that he puts on the cars are nice. I like them. I just like them.
Look at that lowered, that Honda. That's lowered, real low. Look at it. Take a chance, man. Scraping a chance. That's real low. Holy shit. That's a low rider. My nephew Chris lowered his car. WRX Subaru that low. We went to a car show, and his front spoiler was digging into the ground, in the grass. It was so low.
You shut that fucking stuff off. I hate that sound. Fucking diesel.
Polluting the air.
That's because it's turbocharged and it's got a super turbo on it.
Hey Mike.
What's up?
How you doing, man? Nice to see you.
You too, man. There it is, pulling out.
His name's Scott.
No, that's Mike Adamo. I went to school with him.
You know, like it's a great Scott on the t-shirt.
Yeah.
Hunk of shit off.
I don't mind diesels being loud, but after a while they get to be too much.
You know something?
A straight pipe too.
You know these big rigs?
Yeah.
Check the big rig out first. It's against the law to let these big rigs idle. If a trooper sees them idling, even in the winter, they can give them a ticket.